Hey guys, this is Mario Martinez Jr., CEO of Vengreso, and I've got with me Bryn Tillman,
Hey guys!
Chief Learning Officer of Vengreso. Now, we are super excited today because we have flown to New York. That's where we're at today. Vengreso's gone to New York. We were just in Chicago, and last 2 weeks ago, a week ago, in Austin. And today, we want to give you a digital sales tip for the day. Now, when you are out going to a new location, whether it's within the city that you live in or whether you're flying out somewhere, doesn't matter. There's something that you should do always to be able to help you close more business or create more business. Bryn, why don't you talk about what somebody should do with their first degree connections?
Absolutely. So make sure when you are scheduled to go out to a new city that you do a search of the people you are already connected to in that city using your boolean search or your keywords and titles so that you can pull a list of all the people that you know in that location and start reconnecting with them. Send out a little note saying, it's been a while since we talked. I'm going to be in New York. Let's have a quick conversation and see if it makes sense to schedule a time for us to meet.
That's a fabulous tip, Bryn. The other thing that I would say is, in addition to looking at who you already know, look at who you already know that knows somebody that you want to get to know.
True.
Right?
Yeah.
So if you have a prospect, let's say in New York City, like we're doing, we schedule some time to get a referral meeting going, right?
Yep.
And that's super important. Those are the two ways that you can be able to leverage LinkedIn. You can search someone's connections, get a second degree and a referral connection or a first degree.
Absolutely. I mean, it's amazing how productive you are when we start to use some of these logical tips, leveraging digital sales, LinkedIn, and the real world.
So we're excited to be here in New York. We're gonna be here for a day, training another organization. Super pumped, super excited, and I'm with the great, the wonderful, the beautiful Bryn Tillman. Everybody, feel free to connect with us. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.